wonderful gift ideas for the beauty-obsessed person in your life. So Sephora, you walk in there, Adi, and it's just like a kid in a candy shop. It's bright, it's colorful, there's everything you can imagine. But when it comes to the holidays, you have some really beautiful gift sets.
Absolutely. This is my favorite time of the year because there is so much to choose from. Yeah. And I brought some to show you today.
Let's start with this, because if you are a glamour girl and a little bit luxe, this is what you want.
Yes, so Sephora collaborated with jewelry designer Alexis Bator, and this set is so luxurious and so beautiful. You actually get that with the stand, so it can stand sort of right in on your headboard.
Yeah.
So beautiful, so luxurious. You can see actually it has 24 karat, you know, on the brushes. So it's really, really beautiful. And this is for the girl that almost have everything already.
Absolutely. It's called liquid gold and it looks like it. So this is what she needs. Let's go to the next one now. We've got Paint the Town mini nail polish, and these are so cute. What a nice gift idea. The packaging as well.
Isn't it? This is definitely calling for a nail party, don't you think?
I think so.
So this is Paint the Town. It's by Formula X. There is 22 amazing nail polish, very chic, very trendy, and it comes with a tutorial inside of how to create some amazing look for your nails.
Very good. Yeah. Nails are where it's at right now, so this makes a lot of sense. Now we've got these. This is the eye look books.
Yes, so incredible. You get 4 different booklets right inside that package right here.
Okay.
And this, I would say, is for the girl that really serious about her beauty look.
Yeah.
Right? So you can see there is a beautiful tutorial inside of how to create a beautiful look for the holiday. And you get nudes, you get smoky eye, you get metallic, everything that you want, you know, in that little box.
That's so amazing. Pretty. I need that, because people think I know what I'm doing. I know nothing. Because someone does my makeup every day. This is so smart.
That's right. That's
right. Okay, let's talk about these ones. We've got the Color Festival Blockbuster, and this is, oh, look at, this is gorgeous.
Isn't it gorgeous?
It's all connected. Look at that. Beautiful.
And the nice thing about that it's actually closed into a bow.
Oh, that's lovely.
So very beautiful. Sephora is actually creating those Blockbuster kits every year, and this year it's better than ever. 130 beautiful shades of lipsticks, eyeshadows, and blushes. Who doesn't need that in there?
It's also nice and sleek, so you can carry that around with you rather than taking a big makeup kit. That is beautiful.
You can, for sure.
Okay, let's talk about a holiday hair kit. Now, the thing I like about this is it's just $25. What do you get in there? It's like this glam little case.
Yeah, isn't it cute?
Yeah.
You can actually use that as stocking stuffers, right?
Yeah.
And you get a comb, you get some baby pins, headbands, everything in that little pouch. Really cute, $25. You can't go wrong with that.
I love the fact that everything's gold. Like, look at this. That is so cool. It's just, there's something very luxe about that.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is the Atelier Cologne. I mean, they are so beautiful, so special.
Oh, cologne,
they have such a beautiful scent, really, really special scent. And this is actually the mini discovery set, okay? So you get those beautiful 5-bottle. The nice thing about this set is that it's unisex. So it can go to either man or woman, and a really fantastic set for the holiday season.
And then once again with the nails, we have the Mini Manny one over there. So what's cool about that is you have something every day of the week.
That's right.
So it's a little advent calendar.
So it's like a calendar. Absolutely.
That's awesome.
And it has such a beautiful nail polish. And again, it comes with instructions of how to do a beautiful nail for the holiday. So as you see, there is a lot of great things, you know, to shop for this holiday season.